Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full time down analysis. So on gold, I'm definitely still a big believer, even though this candle is a little bit of a spike candle. I still think it is going to keep going up to at least a 161.8, finish off this wave 3, then it's probably going to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this uptrend. So I'm a big believer that gold is probably going to be in an uptrend for many, many more months. So heading down to the weekly time frame, yes, we definitely have been going down pretty strong, but I still think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3. Then I think this is a subdivision of wave 3, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. This big move down definitely doesn't give me any reason to think that 3 is over, and I think it's just a correction, just a subdivision of the uptrend, all part of this wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this trend that started right here, which is actually a trend within a trend within a trend. It's like the wave 3 of 3 of 3 technically. I think it's a wave 1, 2, 3 here, probably a wave 4, and this is probably going to go up for a wave 5 towards that $2,500 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, to me, this seems like an extremely clear pattern. It looks like 3 waves down, looks like 1 up, 3 down, 1 up. So A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Looks like an ABC pattern. Went right down to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. I think this is likely to be a 1, 2, and I still think it's likely to go up and finish off a 3, 4, and 5. It's probably not just going to go up in a straight line like that. It's probably more likely to make a overlapping pattern. But I do think that the trend is still up on all the higher time frames, and I'm definitely looking for longs on these shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I'm actually long on gold since this morning because to me it looks like an impulsive outbreak of structure. It looks like a 1. I think this is an A, B, C correction. Now, yesterday I thought that was the end of an ABC correction, which eventually I was proven wrong, but you know what? We still made money on that trade because we were able to go risk free pretty easily. Now, this morning, I went long again way down here, sitting on some very, very nice profit. Every single trade I do take, I do share with my premium members also, so just keep that in mind that anybody that was following along with my trades in my premium membership is also long on gold right now and is also sitting on some very nice profits. I personally think it could be a 1 or 2, and I still think this is possibly going to keep on going up for a wave 3, especially looking at the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups, which this right here was one of them, by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.